How to refinish an Old Metal Porch Glider. Old Metal Porch Gliders are available at flea markets, resale stores and online. Just like other vintage metal patio furniture, gliders are gaining popularity with designers and homeowners. Many are over 40 years old and are in desperate need of restoration. The first task in refinishing a metal glider is removing the rust. Once all of the rust has been removed, the glider can be restored to its original shine with a little paint and put to great use in your garden or patio. Things you will need: sponge, bucket, dishwashing liquid, phosphoric acid, steel bristled brush, sandpaper optional, spray paint, painter's tape, newspaper. Fill a bucket with dishwashing liquid and water. Clean the glider to remove grease, dirt and cobwebs from its surface. Allow the glider to dry completely and move it onto a drop cloth. Brush any visible rust with a steel bristled brush. Remove as much rust as possible with the brush. Spray the glider with phosphoric acid. The acid will react with any remaining rust that you are unable to see and convert it to iron phosphate. Allow the chemical to work on the glider overnight. Use a steel bristled brush to go over the glider to remove all of the phosphate crust. Wash the glider again using dishwashing liquid and water to remove any chemicals that are still sitting on the surface of the metal. Allow the glider to dry completely. Tape off a newspaper any areas of the glider that you do not wish to paint or wish to paint a contrasting color, such as armrests. Spray paint the glider using a rust-proof, outdoor paint formulated for metal. Rust-Oleum and Krylon make this type of paint in a variety of color choices. Use a steady back and forth motion, slightly overlapping each stroke of the spray can until the glider is completely covered. Allow it to dry for 30 minutes, then apply a second coat of paint. Tips: warnings. Fix strip marks by sanding with fine grit sandpaper and touching up the paint with a light pass of the spray paint.